Yes, guys, thank you. I appreciate you guys. Alright, guys. Yes, everybody. Okay, I gotta get going, guys. Melina. And yes, guys, I will, in the next video, I will talk about goals that I have for my future. People might be wondering, what do you want to do in Hollywood? Maybe I'll talk about it in this video. People are wondering, what do you want to do in Hollywood? Like, what's your goal? Like, what do you plan on doing, right? What are your plans, right? And people might be wondering, are you not able, but are you looking to do certain things? What are you planning on doing? 1 second, I gotta fix the weight. What are you planning on doing? Do you have a plan? Are you just going to be TikTok or YouTube famous? Or do you plan on doing something else? How long do you want to do YouTube and TikTok, right? People might be wondering all those things, right? I personally, for me, TikTok and YouTube are my jam. If I just do YouTube and TikTok, I'll be happy. But I plan on being like a person with a lot of clothing lines or perfume lines or different things like that. I want to do those kinds of things. And then I definitely want to do, like YouTube and TikTok. But I mean, if there's a movie opportunity or something, or a TV opportunity that I think I can do, and I'm famous, or it gets me famous, or whatever, then I will do it. I mean, it depends on which one it is, and it depends on whether it's feasible at the time. I mean, right now I have a job, so I can't just do that right now, but I mean, it depends on the situation, right? I have maybe I'll perform live, I don't know. I want to be on the covers of magazines. I mean, there's a lot of things I can do, maybe on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, stuff like that. But in general, I don't think anything's out of reach really, but I think, and collaborate, what I really want to do is collaborations. I mean, collaborations are fun. It's just the two of you and the celebrity, or you and the person, and you're collaborating, and then you do all your stuff, and you get, a lot of views, right? Doesn't have to be with a celebrity. I would love to do collaboration with celebrities, but anybody's good. And some people are up and coming. Some people have a lot of followers and they're not well known. I mean, anybody, right? Some people don't have a lot of followers and I would do that too, right? Anyway, those are kind of my plans. And yes, I think you guys should have plans too and really work on what you want to do as well. But I mean, ideally, my favorite things would be to be famous on TikTok and YouTube and just be famous on there. And I wouldn't even care if I was in movies or TV. But I mean, I am good, so maybe they would want me to be doing that. But I mean, I would be willing if the right opportunity came. And RuPaul's Drag Race, right? Like RuPaul's Drag Race, of course it's cool, I like it, it's great. But what if RuPaul or the Canada Drag Race team doesn't want me ever on? And I'm not gonna, I would do collaboration with drag queens individually probably, that would probably be best. If RuPaul did a shout out for me, great. Or maybe a collaboration with RuPaul, but I don't know what they think, right? I mean, maybe I could be on the show. I'm not closing the door on it. I mean, if something happens with that show, or I make a cameo or whatever, that's fine by me, right? But it just has to be offered to me, right? If there's no offer or I don't audition, then how am I going to get there, right? But I mean, or AGT, there's lots of opportunities, right? There's lots of shows that I don't mention. I could do a cooking show. Somebody could ask me to act in a movie or show. I mean, it has to be a really perfect opportunity, because I usually find I'm very nervous on things like that, but I mean, I'm getting more and more popular, so I don't think I would be as nervous. But collaborations are more ideal and all that. Thank you guys. Bye now.